happy welcome to Hanoi. So it's Sunday and it's our third day in Hanoi.
Sun is finally shining. It's such a nice day today. We're back at the sort of main square area where the weekend market is, but again the road's shut, all the families are here, it's so nice.
So we've just spent the morning kind of taking pictures of people. We took so many pictures of actual people and took their Instagram, it was really cool. Also we were walking through the park and there was so many young children that stopped us and they just to speak to us so they could practice their English. It was really nice. I think that's a really cool idea because it kind of exposes them to the English language and it also gets them over like a fear of speaking to random people at a really young age. Such a cool idea and it was really sweet, we thought.
We're just on our way up to the old Quater. We're finally going to explore it today. We're both super excited to see what it has to offer, and I think we're just going to chill first to get a quick coffee. So we've been walking about for hours now, so we'll get a wee coffee to keep us going.
So we're going to stop for a coffee at the Note Cafe. I think everyone just comes here and you light a little message on a little post-it note and stick it to the wall. This should be kind of cool.
Hello, 2 iced Americano.
Yeah, you go upstairs, put it on the table, bring it for you.
I was living there with the grandparents and old man.
There's so many like personal stories like everywhere. If you're just like looking, like there's one from Portugal, Brazil. Don't worry, be happy, travel the world, you will never regret it. I think we got the best seat in the house.
Yeah, so this is our seat, the view. For you. Thank you. Enjoy, I hope you will like it.
Aww, got a wee note. Mine says, do more of what makes you happy. Cheers to that.
Cheers. Close your
actually marks 5 months since me and Alan started travelling, so I'm going to write a wee note to like celebrate it.
Happy 5 months of travelling, here's to many more. Love you.
There we are.
I'm going to write my mum's number on it and see if I can get her a Vietnamese boyfriend. That was such a nice coffee and it was amazing sitting there reading everyone's little messages and all the daft things that people write.
Definitely worth a visit, and it's just on like the main square, you'll easily find it. Definitely make sure that's on your list when you're in Hanoi.
Next up, let's get something to eat. I seen a comment on someone else's YouTube video that the best banh mi in Vietnam is on one of the street corners here. So we'll have the address, so we're going to go and find it and see if it's as good as what the person said it is.
That's apparently the best banh mi in Hanoi. Hello, just only egg?
Finding vegetarian food is like a nightmare. Yeah, I'm having so many mental breakdowns.
One more? Excited! Oh, it smells really good.
This is banh mi number 8 in 3 days.
Round 8. Tiger bread.
I cannot pronounce the street name this is on, so I'll put it in the description. You have got to come here and try this one. This got recommended to us and we came and we're so glad we actually did.
Yeah, it's so cool how it's just set up as well.
I know.
On the street.
It's like a pop-up restaurant. So that's us all finished. That was absolutely delicious. That's us had our 2 banh mi's today.
I'm just going to head back into the old Quater now, do a bit of exploring, and need to get some water. It is so hot today.
Yeah, it's quite warm. Yeah. Yeah, let's go and see what else there is to explore. It's amazing the amount of people that are out today. I'm going to guess it's like this every single Sunday. It's just people from every direction, and same again, all the roads are shut, so people are just kind of hanging out with their families. It's amazing.
Considering how busy the roads are here, I bet there's never any accidents. Like the motorbikes are really good at like just stopping, especially when you're crossing the road. The locals are always just like try to stop the traffic. It's quite funny.
Yeah, you see so many near misses, but they're all really switched on, so they look really good at it, but I wouldn't fancy being on a motorbike going through this traffic at all. That right there is exactly what I was talking about. They're always so close to each other, but they always just seem to weave in and out and dodge each other. It's amazing. I don't know how they do it.
There is so much happening in the old quarter. So many amazing buildings, cafes, restaurants. It's just so nice being able to walk about and like take it all in. But there's not exactly anything to specifically show. It's just a nice experience walking about, experience the local life.
Yeah, there's so many like amazing bars, cafes, hotels, street food vendors, people selling things, but it's kind of hard to show it, and we've already showed it in other videos, but I think we're both ready for a beer. We did say we weren't going to drink it in Vietnam, but
Gotta try the local beer.
gotta try the local beer.
Especially when it's like 30 pence per beer. It's
Yeah.
like,
when it's this cheap, you have to give it a go, so I think we'll go for one, maybe two. Why not? So we're going to go now find somewhere cheap and cheerful that's not too chaotic and sit and have a nice Sunday afternoon beer.
that is the nicest fruit market I've ever saw.
I would probably personally recommend, if you're staying in Hanoi, to come to the Old Quarter. There's just so much happening here. So many bars, restaurants and cafes, as we said before. So it's maybe the best area to stay in. We're actually not in the Old Quarter, we're quite a walk away. Most of the things that we have done have been in the Old Quarter, so it's been good for us to walk because we just love walking. But if that's not your thing, then I definitely recommend maybe staying over here. So I think all these tables is just getting set up for later on when all the roads here shut and then everyone just fills the streets. There's just tables everywhere.
So that's us on the beer street now, so let's go and find the cheapest beer.
So it's definitely slightly more relaxed walking down here than it was. I think it was 2 nights ago we came here, but it's still pretty early, so I can guarantee in maybe 2 hours this place is going to be absolutely jumping again.
Fan, do it, hey, hello. Do something. Hey, hi, hello, welcome.
Holland.
Jordan, good, nice people and good country.
Yeah.
Happy welcome to Hanoi.
Thank you.
15k, 52 pence. And you're sitting on a seat, the main road, watching the world go by.
It's actually more expensive than what we've heard you pay here, but it's alright, it was 50p, it's 50p, we're happy.
Hi!
Hi, hello, welcome.
Cheers. Oh, that's a nice beer.
Just genuinely the perfect way to have a little beer, side of the road, on a tiny little mini chair. Perfect. Right, we've got spring rolls. I have been craving spring rolls for weeks. These came like 10 minutes ago, but they've been too long to touch. Whew. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Unreal. Perfect to go with a beer at the side of the road. Best combo ever. So that is us finished up in the old quarter of Hanoi. We've had a great day here. Started off wandering around the park. That's when we spoke to the little kids practicing their English. Then we went to the Note Cafe and then had a really nice coffee.
And then of course we had to check out the best banh mi in Hanoi before. We rounded it up with a local beer right in the centre of the old quarter. It was just another amazing day, walking about, enjoying the city life.
Must have spent a good 2 or 3 hours just wandering around the streets here. It's just so chaotic and it's so fun. There's always something happening and you need to look in every direction before you do anything. There's stuff coming from every direction.
So we're just going to round that up here, and we hope you enjoyed watching us exploring the city, and we hope to see you again soon.
Thank you very much for watching.